I don't know if you have been told that you cannot do skincare on a budget this particular year, 2026, because of how the economy is. Then I'm here to debunk the news because I have with me affordable body care products that will make your skin to be brighter and glowy. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite Amarachi Favy. I know you have missed me on this space because I have. And welcome to a new video. And in this particular video, I'm going to be giving you just 4 products that are basically for students, okay, or those that are on a tight budget. So if you're on a tight budget, you have tried, to find something that you can afford over and over again, then this video is for you. I'm going to be giving you 5 powerful products that would help to brighten up your skin. And I know what you want to say. Is it what she's using? Yes, I'm using most of these products myself. So I'm not here to give you something that I have not tested and tried out myself. Please do not forget to subscribe, okay, because subscribing to this channel is absolutely free, and that will help you to get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. So let's just get started. So the very first thing you're going to be needing in this particular routine will have to be a bar soap, and for that I'm going to be recommending this particular one from Ashanti. If you have been following this channel for the longest, you should know that one thing I have been using from time has been the particular product, okay. It is very potent. It contains papaya, honey extra that will help to keep your skin soft, the papaya extra to help to brighten up your skin, the Q10, the AHA and the BHA are exfoliants that will help to exfoliate your skin. You know that if your skin is not exfoliated, that means you have dead skin cell living on the surface of your skin. And once you have dead skin cell living on the surface of your skin, it automatically means that your skin pores are closed, and every other body care product that you are using, no matter how expensive they are, will never work. So this is a staple in your routine. This will wash your skin clean and also make your skin to be brighter, okay? So after that, you're going to be needing a body lotion that would help to lock in moisture. And for that, I'm going to be recommending this. For this particular video, I'm bringing back my OG products. I know most of you are surprised. To get your hands on this particular body lotion from Dove is a hustle, okay? Most of you have come to the comment section to complain that you don't see it, okay? But I personally sell it in my store. So this is the Dove Invigorating Care that is for all skin type. One thing I like about it is that it contains avocado and sunflower oil, meaning that your skin is going to be super moisturized. And you can attest that once you apply a particular body lotion on your skin will be radiant and glowy. Like there is this instant glow up that comes with this particular body lotion. And after the body lotion, the next thing you're going to be needing will have to automatically be a body oil. Like I said, OG products to this particular video. So this particular one is the Desire Vitamin C body oil, which is a game changer when you want to brighten up your skin. You might look at it and say, oh, this is a very little bottle. Yes, is a rare gem in a small bottle, okay? This particular bottle, I bet you, before you finish one, your skin will already be brighter and radiant. It contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that would help to brighten up your skin and just give you a glowy and, how will I put it, a beautiful, luxurious looking skin, okay? It will look like you are breaking the bank, but you know you are not, okay? You and I know. What I like about this particular body oil is that it infiltrates fast into your skin and then make sure that it does the job that it's supposed to do. The last but not the least, you're going to be needing a body scrub that will back up all this product I just showed you in this video. And for that, I'm going to be recommending this one from the Kua. Like I said, if you're an OG, you should know that these are my OG products, okay? From the first to the last are my OG products. This particular one is the Cool Spa Salt Scrub that contains turmeric, okay? One thing I like about this particular scrub is that it is very affordable and very effective. Affordable and effective combined, okay? It is very good when you want to exfoliate your skin. It will help to get rid of dead skin cell. It will help to get rid of open up your skin pores and make sure that every of these products that is here in this basket will work and work effectively. And I would recommend you only use it 2 or 3 times in a week. If you have a very sensitive skin, a very soft skin, I would recommend you use this 2 times in a week and space it. Use it only at night. But if you have a very good skin, your skin is not reacting, your skin is not too sensitive, then you can use it 3 times in a week and also at night. And remember to space your exfoliation days, okay? And these are the products that can help you to glow up this 2026 if you're on a tight budget. Listen, you don't have to break the bank for you to glow. You don't have to do too much for you to glow. Just lay your hands on this effective, amazing body product and come back to the comment section to give me your testimonies. I'll be in the comment section waiting for them, okay? And if you're at one particular point of the video and you're yet to subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and share it to your friends and your enemies. Share it so that they will also have a glowy skin. Drop your comments in the comment section asking me any question that has to do with skincare, okay? Once it's skincare related, drop your questions. Or if you want to shop, okay, the number that you're going to order from will be pinned in the comment section. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.